I was looking through the videos I had made and I realised I hadn't made one about this particular camera. This camera is by a company called Kershaw, who are based in Leeds. They made some quite good cameras, folding cameras. They made some cinema projectors, and an interesting fact with Kershaw, a lot of their cameras are named after birds. Apparently one of their directors was very much into ornithology, and therefore this is the king penguin. You do find this same camera with the Ilford badge on it sometimes, and it's produced in about produced in 1951, just after the war. But if you look at it, two things strikes me. One is that actually it looks like a pre-war camera, but is trying to look a little bit modern in the design of the front part of the lens, but the body is very, very similar to that type of folding camera you would have got before the war. Now, it is an extremely simple camera to use. To open the back, you pull this down here, and with a bit of luck can open the back. I think, yeah. And the back comes off completely. Quite nice that we've got a little advert here. With this camera, use Ilford Kodak number 120 film. So it's actually advertising Ilford and Kodak and Enzyme. I wonder if they had some form of agreement. You see the large 6 centimetre by 9 centimetre back. Well, 9 there, 6 here. So you get 8 photographs on a 120 film. Pop that back. The viewfinder, you can see, is about the most basic type of viewfinder. There's actually no glass in there, it's just a frame. Looking back at the front, we have I there for normal shutter, B to have it on bulb, and that. Oh, we do have a flash connection there, very sophisticated, but shutter there, and it's just a leaf shutter. And that is all there is to this camera. As I said, it is about the most basic folding camera you can get. The advantage of it is a cheap ray into medium format, but you've got no focusing on it, no aperture, so it is a bit of a point and shoot. Let's see if I manage to get any decent images from it. This camera did not perform particularly well. The pictures seem to be very contrasty. I think I had slightly overdeveloped, but not by that much. It's just not a very good quality camera. The images are recognisable as images. Some of the photographs have got some light leaks. I think they could be pin pricks in the bellows. You can see these are typical sort of light leaks you get from a folding camera. Plus there's a couple of scratches. The manufacturer of this camera it's very metal. I wouldn't be surprised if some of these scratches are coming from the internal of the camera, and again on this one you can see some of the light leaks. However, it's quite fun to use. It is a sort of point and shoot. I'm pleased I put a film for the camera. This image is probably the best one of the lot. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.